Present a few Marine Honor Awards.
I'd like to present these on behalf of the Marine Corps Commandant General Mike McGowan, who sends his regrets not being able to attend this weekend. But to speed things up, I will make the announcement, read the names, but we can pick up the certificates at the Marine Register. I'll have the certificates there, we can issue them there, and we can speed up things there since we need to speed up things. The Starfleet Marine Corps Honor Awards for this year. The Cross of Honor goes to Colonel Michael Calhoun. The Sword of Honor goes to Brigadier General Jerry James. The Shield of Honor goes to Colonel Derek France. Star of Honor goes to Sergeant Major Stephen Sardison. Cadet Cross of Honor, Grade 4, goes to Cadet Tyndallin Jarrett. The Legion of Honor this year goes to the 255th Marine Strike Group, Colonel Michael Calhoun, OIC. Again, we'll be presenting their certificates at the Marine Muster, along with Commander Starfleet will be there to present the Starfleet Cross Awards for this year as well. Thank you. I appreciate your time.
Thank you, Mark. He promised to be brief, or he knew I would hang him. All right, thank you. We have a full afternoon of panels scheduled. And I want to thank in advance all of our presenters who agreed to work part of this session. And should I miss something here? You want to talk to Warren? Okay. He does. The panel schedule is in your program book. You might not have spotted it just yet, but it's at the end of the overall schedule for the conference. You will see the room names and numbers and times. I am asking all presenters to please start promptly at your appointed hour and to end at about 45 to 50 minutes after the hour, so we have about 10 minutes or so between sessions for presenters to take down and put back up. And we've got a lot of interesting topics that I hope you will enjoy. We're going to get out of here early enough that you'll be able to have a good time for lunch and then be at the panel rooms at 1 o'clock. And looking at the panel rooms that will be utilized, the Perry and Oldham are downstairs near where you picked up registration packet in the Knox room. Okay, just across that little hallway is Perry and Oldham. The other panel rooms, Taylor, Shelby, Trimble, and Whitley, are on this second floor level. Okay, one slight change in a location. At 2 o'clock, we had scheduled Amazing Grace, which is actually about the final mission ceremonies and how to conduct them in your chapter and region. And DJ O'Brien has asked that be moved from 2 o'clock until 5 o'clock. So those who are interested in learning more about final mission, if you'll meet at 5 o'clock in the Franklin room. So please make note of that if you are interested in going or participating. The Franklin room at 5 o'clock. Also up at 1 o'clock is Star Trek Arts and Crafts. This is a make and take session. You'll be making some really cute things with Star Trek pictures. All the materials have been purchased and are in there for you. We do ask that you donate about $3 a person to help offset the cost of those supplies that have been purchased. All right, so please attend panels, support your fellow fleet members. I have one other short announcement that Darlene has asked me to make. Let it be known that the College of Technology Institute of Star Trek Studies, under the direction of Commodore Darlene Fairweather, has not closed this weekend. Please see her after the general session if you would like to take any of the courses in that institute. Okay. All right, are there any questions about any of the panels this afternoon? You will notice there's a slight overlap. Meet the Candidates starts at 3 o'clock and goes to 4:45, but it's kind of going to be split into 2 hours or 2 sections. There are some other panels that start at 4 o'clock, so those who have had their questions answered or have learned what they need to could go on to a couple other panels if they would like to do so. There was kind of a change up there in our schedule as things developed, and I didn't want to lose the chance of having some of those panels presented for those that were interested, and we had already announced them before the time change. So thank you very much. Robin has another announcement for us before we dismiss.
Thank you. Last year, unfortunately, we didn't give any lifetime memberships or honoraries. So this year we are presenting the Helen Pulowski Memorial Lifetime Membership to Jerry Team. Also, there's 2 honorary memberships this year. One is going to Mary Kane, and the other is Warren Price.
Thank you, I appreciate that. That was a surprise, that's for sure. And she mentioned Mary Kane. Today is Mary Kane's birthday, so whenever you see her, wish her a happy birthday, okay? She's done a yeoman job in registration, and she, down there all by herself, so doesn't get to come to these things, and she's a trooper, and I love her, and wish her a happy birthday. A couple of little things before we go about the rest of this evening, because we got the banquet is going to be at 6 o'clock. The doors open at 5:50. Now, if you're going out, if you don't have a banquet and you're going out to eat, come back. Be here by 7:45. We've got a special treat for everybody. A little something to celebrate Star Trek 50th anniversary. So everybody needs to be here. There's a little something for everybody. So come to that. Just when you get here, just walk on into the banquet. And then after that, we have our auction. So bring your money. We will be able to take credit cards now. We have that set up. So we hope to see everybody to do that. The other thing is the trivia contest. Both of those are due in tonight. You give them to me or Lucy or Mary by 9:30 tonight, because we got to tabulate everything up to be able to award it tomorrow. So that also, same thing with your ballots for the video contest. And over here on the table, we've got awards for those things. We only award first place for each category for the video, and that's what those are. And the first, second, and third for the IC trivia and the Star Trek trivia will get a nice little medal there. So please fill them things out and send them to us so we can award them things out. We appreciate it. With that, I don't have anything.
One more thing. Tonight for the final mission, if, cross our fingers, it's not raining, it will be outside by the pool. We have a beautiful location out there. If it's raining, we're going to block off some of the main corridor of the hallway to have it there, because it's a short thing, and I've checked on the 82nd. They are not going to be walking around during that time, so we can take care of the final mission at that time. So everyone, please cross your fingers. It's not raining during the time we need to have the final mission, because it's really a nice place out there. And it's under the shade, so it's not direct sunshine. or pilots. Thank you.
All right, good. And I want to thank Lucy for doing the honors this morning and yesterday, so good for that. Ed, yes, sir?
I do have one thing real quick. I'll be moderating the Meet Candidates panel later this afternoon. Down in registration, there is a wonderful, really useful little box. There are some index cards and there are some pens. We have very few questions in that box right now, and I gotta tell you folks, if we don't have more, that means I have to let the candidates talk longer. Nobody wants that. Please submit some questions, doesn't matter what it is. We will try our best to get to them. So down at registration, or if you see me, give me a question, and we'll make sure it gets into the file.
Anybody else have anything that they'd like to announce? If not, then, hey, we're adjourned for this evening, till tonight. Thank you. Yeah.
David, Jeff Hickson. Finally meet you.